My friends, we are going to waste no time. It is time to launch. It is not time to pull back. In fact, the number one mistake that a fixed-wing aircraft pilot makes when he tries to pilot helicopters, or any helicopter pilot, is when things look shaky, they pull back instead of pushing forward like they're supposed to. So folks, we're gonna go front to back, side to side, because things are looking juicy. We are at long targets right now. Long targets. And I believe, I don't know about you, but I believe that it's pump time, baby. And it's time to get in on this action. Not later, not tomorrow, now. We only have a couple months left for the 4-year cycle. Now, I know there's rumors going around. There's people, everyone is saying that they believe that, for so-and-so reason, the 4-year cycle doesn't matter anymore. It's over. Who am I to say? Who am I to judge? Maybe they're right, but I think not. Time will tell. So, first things first, Bitcoin right now is attempting to break in to the trifecta territory again. Now, it had a little rejection right here, a little rejection. It's the first time touching it in quite some time. Totally normal. Money flow, still very thick here on the 4-hour. And typically when it's this thick, it ain't done. That's the 4-hour. Let's go to the 6-hour. 6-hour, thick. 12-hour momentum, still thick. Money flow, still there. Let's enhance. The 2-hour, potential reset here. A potential reset here. Okay. Oh, so what I've noticed these past few weeks is during the U.S. market open, if it goes down during the U.S. market open, when the closing bell strikes, the opposite thing starts to slowly happen. So, for example, today was a dump day, right? It's closing bell, time to start going up, baby. Okay? Just a little something there, So we are attempting to break in to the trifecta spider lines. I believe we'll be inside here sooner than later, potentially tomorrow. Let's check out the 1.0 spider lines. I believe the 1.0 spider lines, yep, we came right down. My target for longing Bitcoin was right at this spider line area. Target hit. I'm long across the board. Low risk. Set that you can have stops right under the spider line here. And the world is our oyster. From here. I like it. My number one choice right now is Binance coin. Beautiful. Look at these beautiful trigger waves on the 30 here. Binance, all the money they're making from their predatory market making ass tear is just being funneled into buying up their chart. Now, we always liked Ethereum's price for the price action percentages. But guess what? There's a new sheriff in town, and it's Chinese, and it is Binance. big percentage gains. The price is not too high. It's only 1,300 now. Ethereum's at 45. Major gains to be had on Binance. And they have the number one scam behind them. They are crunching and destroying, even leading, I don't want to say that, but they're ruining lives with their market making. And, this is the way where we can, get gains from that, as opposed to getting destroyed ourselves. BNB, heavy allocation I have. Heavy allocated I am now into BNB. Thick money flow on the daily. Gates are open on the daily here. We got 3 hours left, actually. So this candle will be closing here soon. Open gates. Just look for them open gates on the 12-hour, the 6-hour, on everything. What's the weekly looking like here? Beautiful weekly. Oh my gosh. It doesn't get any more pretty than this. Look at this inward curvature. This is like a ramp. Look at that. Inwardly curve. What do inward curves do? Continue to inwardly curve. This is a beautiful inward, bullish inward curvature. Look at this open momentum. Open momentum. We're on the weekly, folks. We got 5 days left on the weekly. This is, it's not over. This week's just getting started. Tomorrow and the day after that and the day after that, I think it's going to be sweet. I'm long, and I'm long now. I'm long, and I'm long now. What else is there? Ethereum. Now, Ethereum also came down to the target long area. For me, the spider line. Right below it. It's right below it. This also... Here, let me see something here. Let me pull... I know you guys don't see me do this often. Huh. I could have swore one of these coins lined up perfectly. Maybe it was something else. Anyway, so we're at the spider line. All right. RSI's turning green. What is this? The daily. Okay, we only have 3 hours left on the daily. What's the weekly look like? Weekly. Oh my gosh. Look at this weekly. Oh my gosh. Look at this weekly. Okay, we have beautiful outwardly curvature on VWAP oscillation. A slicer coming up here. Momentum, godlike, thick, little inward curvature right here. RSIs are both inside of each other. Strong RSIs. I like the weekly. I think the weeklies look great. As we speak, I am ham hock bullish. I am long. As we speak. Right now. Now, I want to give you guys another life-changing play that has been I just got into it a few days ago, and I already see the potential. Let me tell you, it's with options, okay? I'm going to have to make a little options intro video like this week. But gold obviously isn't going to stop. It's going to keep going forever. As long as we're printing money, gold is going to keep going, and it's going right now. It's finally had its slave chains broken off. This was a theory. It's not even a theory. If you've been around this channel for a couple of years, you've heard me talk about how the top 3 banks, one of those banks had to go down to own all the sell side paper, 70% of the sell side paper. It happened. It happened with Swiss Bank. Ever since then, the chains have been broken. The $2,000 chains on gold were broken, and we're never coming back down to these prices again, ever. It's going to keep soaring. Probably 8,000 an ounce, 10K an ounce. I mean, easily. It's just going to be on an easy projection. Now, how can we leverage this? How can we take advantage of this more than just having the gold itself? Well, 3 letters. IAU. And I owe you one. And that is IAU. Okay? Now, specifically, I bought some $90 strikes. So this goes up with the price of gold. Okay? And I'm playing it safe. You don't have to be, you don't have to do 2-month options. I got $90 May 26s. Okay. Here, let me put that on the chart here. April, May. Okay. $90 strike Mays for a shorter term play. And then I'm doing $100 January 27th. $100 January 27th. Okay? And I'm holding those. And guess what? I got them 2 days ago. The May is already up 25%. And the 2027 $100 strike is up 13%. And they're so cheap. They're like 75 cents, $1 per contract. The potential on these is almost uncalculatable. As gold keeps soaring, if the gold price keeps on going, which I believe wholeheartedly that it will. Man, sky's the limit. So I had to throw that one in there because I just think it's too damn good. It's too damn good to keep secret. Now, there's a little new Chinese token called COAI. And my, I am actually scared to show you this to you guys because it's gone absolutely bonkers. 500% gain over the weekend. I was able to get myself a little smidge. Today it's up 30%. I have no idea what these guys do. Obviously, it's something with AI, some Chinese new AI. I don't have any research on them, but whoa, you gotta keep an eye on this one. Sheesh. We're going to, so we've been a little stingy lately on the Market Cipher discount codes. The most recent one was code Platinum for 35% off. That may have expired. So by the time you see this video, there's going to be a new code. That code is going to be the code's going to be my 2 favorite things today. BNB IAU. In fact, let's do IOU IAU BNB. And for you going through the trouble of typing that in, you are going to receive, let's do a banger, 40% off Market Cipher products. And folks, we're going to cut this off on Sunday this week, okay? BNB for you and me. IAU, for your future. Okay? This curvature is absolutely insane. I would, if I had to choose one crypto to hold right now, it's BNB. They make more money than anyone else, scamming the shit out of everybody with their, they have the #1 predatory AI market making. They have the world government version of CZ running the show now. Vampires. And they're going to continue to keep rolling everyone over and shitting on everybody. And this is how you can counteract that from yourself. BNB, baby. BNB, baby. BNB, baby. The dog days of summer have come to an end. We only have 2 more months. Basically 2 or 3 more months. 2 more months. 3 more months until it's the new year. Whether you believe in the 4-year thing, everyone thinks it's going to be longer. Everyone thinks that since it's convenient, since these prices are so good, and institutions and whatever, well, institutions hold up the price. And listen, who am I to say? You can bet with your own money. It's your money. Do what you want with it. And maybe Shaw hopefully keeps going, but man, this is great. By the way, also, if you have not used Breakout Prop, it's the #1 prop trading. You pass a test and you get funded 100x your money to trade with. Again, my brother's just clocking in he just clocked in another $20,000 on Breakout Prop. He's on the leaderboard, or he's in like the top 100 this month so far. Amazing. Links in the description. You get a discount. So, man, BNB just won't stop. It just won't stop. And I'm long across the board. Long across the board. It's going to be a great rest of the week. Toodaloo, my friends. Toodaloo.